Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Top tips to grow your wealth over time. Today, we're diving into the top tips on how to grow your wealth. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Make smart decisions today for long-term payoffs. From budgeting to compound interest, we've got you covered. Remember, take action and implement these tips. Stick around for a clear roadmap to achieve your financial goals. Let's get started. The first step to building wealth is knowing where your money is going. That's where budgeting comes in. It's about having a clear picture of your income and expenses. Track your spending for a month, every coffee, every subscription. You might be surprised by where your money's going. Create a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Adjust it as your income or expenses change. Be consistent and make conscious spending choices. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. By investing in your education, skills, and personal growth, you increase your earning potential and open up new opportunities. This could mean taking courses, attending workshops, or even just reading books and listening to podcasts. The more valuable you become in the marketplace, the more you can earn. And the more you earn, the more you can invest and grow your wealth. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. The returns on this type of investment can be significant. Diversify investments. You've heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, the same applies to investing. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or asset class, spread it across different investments. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, index funds, and even alternative investments like cryptocurrencies. By diversifying your portfolio, you're essentially hedging your bets. If one investment performs poorly, the others can help cushion the blow. Diversification is a crucial strategy for building a resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. Compound interest. Compound interest is like magic. It's the principle of earning interest on your interest, and it's one of the most powerful forces in finance. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow exponentially. Think of it like a snowball effect. As you earn interest on your initial investment, that interest is added to your principal, and then you earn interest on the new, larger amount. Over time, even small contributions can grow into significant sums. That's why it's so important to start investing early, even if you can only afford to invest small amounts. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to compound interest. Review financial plan. Your financial journey is not a set it and forget it kind of deal. Your goals, circumstances, and even the market can change over time. That's why it's crucial to regularly review and adjust your financial plan. At least once a year, sit down and assess your budget, your investments, and your progress towards your goals. Are you on track to reach your savings targets? Do you need to rebalance your investment portfolio? Are there any new opportunities you should consider? By regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan, you ensure that you're always moving in the right direction and making the most of your money. Remember, financial planning is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Start implementing these steps today and watch your wealth grow. over time. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a race. It takes time, effort, and consistency. By sticking to these tips and focusing on your financial goals, you'll be on the path to financial stability and freedom. So what are you waiting for? Start taking control of your finances today and build the future you deserve. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success. Until next time.